Wonderful open floor plan, rich hardwood laminate greets you and flows through the beautiful living and dining room. Majestic fireplace is stunning, so cozy and inviting. Bright and spacious kitchen features tons of storage and lots of counter space. Master bedroom boasts a great bath. You'll enjoy sharing the huge deck and screened-in back porch with family and friends. Big level backyard with brand new privacy fence. No hoa. Exterior recently painted, new roof. Just minutes to Highway 42, 55 and 401. Only 8 minutes to downtown Fuquay. Come and see.